Unfortunately, this is a day where I couldn't even get into the trade because TopStep wants to be difficile. Wants to be difficult, bro. Can't get into anything. First, it wasn't showing. Now it is, but it's sluggishly moving. Um, it may seem like it's out, but see how there's no timer here? See, there's no clock. It's not active, despite these moving numbers down here. Despite this, it's actually not active. I literally got an email from them like it's not working. I even had to send a photo of them telling us it's not working. So I couldn't get into a trade. I tried to do my trade locker, but I really just prefer to use this for pairs trading, um, not so much, yeah. So I was popular. I have to find a way to show my profitability here. Wait, close positions, yeah. So, no, that's not it. Yeah, I made some money here because I did try to get into the, yeah, here we go. I got into multiple positions. No, not good. I think starting from here. I got into multiple positions because I realized you have to get into multiple lots in order to even try to see proper profits. See, I'm not great with Forex yet. I'm still kind of practicing around with it. That's that. I did get into uh, options. I kind of did everything simultaneously like a dumbass. But, you know, I initially got into an options trade here, and I actually hit something. I don't know what I hit. What is it? I don't know what I hit. I hit this part here, and then got got candles going down, so I just got out because I'm also happy on everything. I'm even on an airplane right now, getting ready to go back home after my 7 days. So I really should not be trading this morning, but I just wanted to get in still, like an idiot. We will, I don't know. I don't know how I'm down on Weeble, but that's fine, I guess. Um, had I taken this trade properly, all things being equal, for for this trade, realistically, S&P divergence happened overnight here, where I saw higher highs being made on the ES and on NQ, and a lower high being made here. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm cool to be bearish. Um, Swim into the 5 minute here, where market opens on this dotted line, takes that price, fair value gap gets tapped in, hopes to flow to the face, but you get stopped out here. Yes, if I do this the right way. Market open, ES took out London highs. Oh Lord. Fair value gap drawn. ES would have actually respected because ES is not as volatile as NQ. So it was actually looking great. It actually hit Asian low, which was cool. This would have been an appropriate trade to take. Um, it actually also respected this long green line is a high time frame fair value gap. So it kind of honored that and wicking and not closing above that fair value gap and looked great. In my head, it's hit Asian lows, so I was hoping I could go back up. I see this Doji candle here, which kind of is signifying change of direction. But of course, TopStep wants to be difficult and non-functional, and I notice that this nonsense happens every couple of weeks. And then we're gonna get an email like, "Oh, we're so sorry you lost your money or got stuck or didn't realize that you use AWS, and we're gonna give you a reset and refund your money and rah rah rah." I don't know why that happens a lot. Let's look at news. Um, so even though liquidity was taken out on the buy side, I'm glad I'm about to take off. Ooh. Even though liquidity was taken out on the buy side, oh, shit. I still thought we would be bullish because actual red folder, actual whatever, these were actually less than the forecasted, which usually proves to be a little bit bullish. So the goal is to see if we actually turn bullish and kind of hit some of these highs, maybe take out this devil's, it's called devil's wick that I have marked up here and maybe up here. Let's see if it soars. But we're already at 7:52, 11:52 Eastern time, so I don't know if that'll happen. Um, but let's see. All right.